Hey guys, it's Rachel with Pretty and Plants, and today I'm gonna show you my plant haul. So today I went plant shopping. This one is my jungle boogie, and Happy loves it here, and my mother-in-law wanted one, so well, I kept calling the plant place and they said there's a huge truck coming, and I'm like, what else are they gonna get? Then they said jungle boogies are on the truck. So jungle boogies are on the truck. This was on the truck, this little, I don't remember the name of this one. It's like, I'll find the name and put it up there. It's the coin, the plant with the coins. I see these on Etsy sometimes. I'm like, those are so cute, and they look really easy to propagate. There was this one, which is the zebra plant. I kind of have no idea what I'm doing with that plant. They had a string of bananas, which I don't have one yet, and I think they're really fun. Look at the string of bananas. Those are so fun. I know I love my string of pearls, and this looks like a cousin. Oh, I got two of these. I thought they were so fun. This one's the Palea Baby Tears. Look, I need a ladder. Anything that's long and flowy like that is amazing. The one question I have is this gonna be hard to put into SemiHydro in my house, so we shall see. Okay, so I couldn't resist these two. It's a little darling little peperonia, and then of course, how many of these can a person have before they decide they have enough? Pothos. Okay, so this was really fun. They had the staghorn fern come in, and they hung it up for me while I was there. This one was, it was expensive. It was like $30 or something. This one was so cool. So yeah, they just had like 10 of them. Look at that thing. It's gorgeous. And look at the stems. I don't know if you can see the stems. They're like dark and beautiful. I love Alocasia. They just make me so happy. And then I got this Hoya, which I've been admiring online. It has like the kind of roundy leaves, and Hoyas seem to, we have a lot of natural light in our house, so Hoyas seem to do well. Another Ficus. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so what's really cool about this Ficus, it's a Ficus Audrey bush. I don't think you would call it a bush. It's more like a pencil. Look at that thing. It's so pretty. Ficus Audrey. So this one I love because I have really tiny little sharp corners in my house. So you could just put this in a corner and call it a day. The leaves are just really, really delicious. Are you ready? Drum roll. Okay. This is, I almost couldn't believe it when I saw it. I thought I was seeing things. I think they only got one of these, but I thought it was so pretty. An Alocasia Regal Shields or something like that. Let me back up. Ready? Can you see all of the pretty big giant leaves? Oh, it's so pretty. I mean, this leaf. Oh, please, love me, love my house, love SemiHydro. Okay, so that's my haul. Oh wait, I have one more. Okay, so a little thing about this one is I ordered it online a couple months ago. I've been waiting and waiting and so excited, and it came yesterday. The unpackaging, I was gonna do an unboxing, took a long time, like 40 minutes to unbox it. It's beautiful, and it's gonna, see, it's the Sabrina, the Alocasia Sabrina. There's the leaf and the beautiful stem, and I just put it in SemiHydro. I cannot help myself. I do it within 5 minutes of that plant's getting here. Mushies, and it didn't ship that long ago. It just freaked out. It was in this box with styrofoam, like a tomb. It was in a tomb. So yeah, that's the Alocasia Sabrina. I'm actually really Like, I think it's so beautiful. It makes me want to cry, like, just looking at it. But it is going to take a little TLC. So far, my plants have gotten in the mail. It takes a while for them to bounce back. When I can just take it out of dirt and put it in the beads, I feel like I'm doing a better job or something. This one, I'm going to show you. I planted it yesterday, and can you see there's the water? I don't know if you can see the water. I just put, I'm learning. So with this one, I just put it in the, do this. What was really cool is when I was cleaning the roots, and this one was in some dirt. When I was cleaning the roots, I got a seed. I'm gonna show you my seed. The seed is in a little bit of rock wool. See that? The rock wool. I have another Alocasia Amazonia seed, and it's in rock wool. And I found I had a mat in the attic that is like a seedling mat, so it keeps it at 80 degrees. So I put that seed in rock wool, and then I put it in water, and then I put it on that mat. And my Alocasia poly is actually growing roots. Okay, so that's my haul. Are y'all excited for me, or are you kind of afraid that it's gonna take me 17 hours to plant all of these things in pebbles? I'm gonna need loads and loads of pebbles, but I'm so excited. And I will keep you abreast of how these plants do in the SemiHydro. We'll see y'all next time. Thanks for checking out my haul. I'm so excited. I feel like I have won the lottery, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.